It is true that the more time you spend thinking about the past and worrying about the future, the more you miss the most beautiful moments in life. Dwelling on past events and always thinking about the future makes it hard for you to notice, appreciate, and embrace the great things that are happening at the moment. You waste half your time thinking, I could have avoided that, there is so much I still need to do to reach my ultimate goal, and end up missing out on the great things that are happening around you. Instead of constantly reflecting on the past and being anxious about what tomorrow might bring, pay attention to what is happening now. Focus on the present and be more conscious of what you are doing as well as what you have, and embrace each moment. Be grateful for all the good things in your life and ensure you are physically and mentally present at all times. Embracing each moment and living in the present helps you to appreciate what you have and makes it easier for you to eliminate negative thoughts by fixing your attention on all the great things in your life. It enables you to forget past wrongs, stop worrying about what the future holds, and concentrate on doing the best you can now. When you recognize the significance of embracing each moment and enjoying your life, you will never burden yourself about the past or fear what tomorrow might bring. You will live each day fully and only concern yourself with what you can do today as well as what you intend to achieve in the present moment. Many people don't love the way their lives turned out and think they could be better off living someone else's life. You may be going through the same thing. Nonetheless, understand that living in one situation and wishing you were in another prevents you from enjoying and embracing the beautiful moments in life. It can cause you to miss out on great opportunities that are right in front of you and force you to accept the notion that you weren't meant for anything better. Therefore, learn to always embrace what's in front of you or change it, if you are not satisfied. Embracing the moments helps you to live the best life possible and enjoy your life more. Countless people are finding it extremely challenging to live to the best of their abilities and in turn, live the best life possible. If you find yourself in the same predicament, know that it is caused by failing to appreciate what you have as well as failing to live in the present. So, learn to live in the now, be conscious of the present, and embrace each moment. Living in the past keeps you thinking, I didn't deserve that, I could have tried harder, what was I thinking, which harms your mental health and gives rise to feelings of regret as well as inadequacy. Living in the past and constantly thinking, I could have chosen better, keeps you blind to your capabilities as well as your accomplishments. It makes it impossible to live in the present and fully enjoy what is happening. Therefore, forgive the past, stop dwelling on it, and live every moment as if it were your last. Being anxious about the future can lead to fear, worry, distress, and a lot of frustrations because you don't know how things will turn out. You don't know if your plan will turn out the way you are hoping. You don't know if choosing to fight for your relationship was the right step, and you don't know if you will get that promotion you've worked extremely hard for, and so, you are crippled with anxiety. Understand that being anxious about tomorrow or worrying about how things will turn out only leads to regret and makes it hard to do what needs to be done today. So, stop thinking about the future and embrace the great things that are currently happening so you can enjoy your life more and live the best life possible. The best thing about embracing each moment and living in the present is that it helps you to live to the best of your abilities. It keeps you conscious of the present, which enables you to notice opportunities when they come, enjoy your relationships, improve your life, and put your best effort into doing what you are doing today. Embracing the moment means being happy about where you are today, appreciating your achievements as well as loving the journey toward your main goal because you know it is the key to your success. It means being thankful for the people in your life and making the most of the time you have with them because you know that life is so much better when you have good people to celebrate it with. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.